everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a clean, interactive and professional looking dashboard in Google Sheets step by step. Whether you are tracking sales, or student progress or anything else, this video will help you make data visually clear and easy to understand. Step 1, how to organize your data. Okay. First, you will need to make sure your raw data is well organized. For example, we have created a raw data for the date and category and the sale column here, which is for some example for this learning process. Okay. In the sheets for raw data, then you're gonna create another worksheet called dashboard here. With the dashboard, you put the KPI and then the value for you have to learn how to insert the formula. The first one gonna be the total sale, then you put on the formula with the equal to sum. You can click on the sum. After it will open the blanket, you will put the dashboard in the worksheet area, which is raw data. After that, you're gonna put the code, single code to the raw data here. Then the C2 colon C close bracket, you enter this. Okay, you will get on that. You can not like that. Then you can average. Yeah, you can make the copy, but you need to change it from sum to average. Okay, you change it from sum to average. Enter. Then you're gonna put the count. Okay, you change from equal to sum to count. Counter. Okay, and then the last one. Change it to the counter. But here you're gonna put the unique plus. Change it to B2. Let's check this C2C. This is the also the we change it C2 C. This one we're gonna change it to C2 as well. That last one would be counter unique dark. Okay, now after that we gonna have to insert the chart. How to insert the chart? You go to the insert here and then you choose the chart here, and with the chart you can use what type of the chart, maybe the trending. In order to track the sale, you can choose whatever you would like to see. This the trending chart. Which is the, or maybe you can use the bar chart in order to compare the sale here, or even you can choose the pie chart in order to see the proportion of the sale here. Okay, you can organize your chart based on your would like to have it look like. And this is, you have just built a professional dashboard in Google Sheet. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumb up and subscribe for more Google Sheet and productivity tips. Thank you for your watching.